Previously we have seen how to make chicken kebab, grilled chicken salad, Arabian chicken samosa, and crispy chicken bites. The video links are in the description. Here I am going to show how to make pepper chicken gravy Andhra style. It takes only 30 minutes to prepare. Subtitles are available in other languages. Before starting the recipe, please subscribe and follow us for more healthy and tasty food videos. Required ingredients: chicken 500 grams, onion, tomato, coriander leaves, mint leaves, cumin seeds half tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, pepper 1 tablespoon, lemon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, masala 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder half tablespoon, kasturi methi 1.5 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, green chilies, curry leaves. Take 3 tablespoons of oil. Fry masala ingredients and onion. Add tomato. Add ginger garlic paste. Add green chili. Mix well. Add cumin seeds, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. Mix well. Add chicken. Mix well. Add salt. Mix well. Keep lid on for 15 minutes. In between, mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Keep lid on for 10 minutes. Add pepper powder, kasturi methi. Mix well. After 5 minutes, add coriander leaves and squeeze the lemon. Mix well. Keep lid on for 1 minute. Now, pepper chicken curry is ready. In the coming up video, I will show how to make chili chicken curry. Thank you for watching and following.